After studying the basic definition of sustainability and the three pillars of it, we come to a conclusion that sustainability is nothing but long-term thinking, pragmatic use of resources, and respect and regard for other living forms. So, let us look at long-term thinking. If we refer to the 1972 report Limits to Growth, in that this wonderful graph is shown, which talks about the kind of problem we all face. It can be studied on the axis of time, so it may be for next week, next few years, lifetime, or our children's time. Or it may be classified with respect to the space. The problem may be concerning to the family, to the neighborhood, or the city, to the race, to nation, or to the entire world. It depends on which quadrant we are focusing on. So if we are focusing for short term, maybe for next week, next month, and for only for our family, our neighborhood, then these problems are coming to the bottom left quadrant. But if we are thinking about long-term solutions, long-term issues, which may be important for our children's lifetime, and the problem may be concerning to this place far away from our house. So are we thinking about them as well? So sustainability is nothing but thinking about the people, thinking about the living beings who are far into the future and far in the geographical distance as well. Second, it's all about pragmatic use of resources. The resources are available and accessible for all. And while exploiting the resources, we should have the ecosystem balance. If ecosystem is not in balance, then all the resources, all the environmental, economic and social system will collapse. Number 3, it is respect and regard for other living forms. So sustainability is about understanding all living forms are equally important. Humans are just a part of the system and not the owner. So we all need to understand this. So in short, if we understand these three things, then we understand sustainability. Now, you might ask, give us some of the points where we can understand why this is so important. Let's understand it through 5 points. These are population, pollution, resource depletion, consumption patterns, and climate change. So let us understand each point to gain more clarity about sustainability. First is population. We all know currently we are very near to the 8 billion population. So how to provide resources to such a huge number of people? Second, it's about pollution. Give it a thought for these 4 points: toxic chemicals, plastic, ocean, and e-waste. Third point is about resource depletion. We all know that there is water scarcity, soil degradation, air pollution, and food shortage all over the world. Fourth is about consumption patterns. More and more consumption is demanded. So the consumption is increasing day by day. For that, the plastic packaging is also increasing. Industries are having myopic view, means short-term view. They are not thinking about the long term. They are doing design for dumb. The products are designed to get obsolete in the coming future in shorter duration of time. And last point is climate change. Currently, the carbon dioxide concentration has been increasing each year on year. We all can see the frequent natural disasters in our surrounding. So all these points will be helpful to understand what is sustainability and why we all must act now. I have already made a detailed video on this topic. If you want to understand all these points in detail with example, please watch this video. Thank you so much for your valuable time.